prop this up so I get a couple revs out. Don't mind it, it's kind of a mess in here. I've been using it for road trips and it's been my daily. Alright guys, today we're going to be putting the CDC chin spoiler on the Bullitt. It's been a while since I made a video, but this one's going to be really cool. We're going to put that chin spoiler on, and we're also going to put a Foose Grill right here. So we're going to see how it looks with the chin spoiler with the original grill, and then we'll put the new grill on and see how it looks at the end. Alright, so it's giving us a couple instructions, a couple of tools from American Muscle. Forgive my fingers if my nails are dirty. Been working in the garden almost all day. But yeah, simple stuff. It's like adhesion and then alcohol wipes and then the actual 3M tape. A couple of plastic screws. Alright, so if you come over here and you find yourself having trouble putting the other side on, just come over here, kind of fix this up, you know, kind of align it like a puzzle, and it should go fairly easy from there. I'll show you. Just screw in like this, and then, sorry, gotta get better with my camera work. Yeah, you just do that, and sometimes your car will be missing a screw or two. Don't worry. If it worked with one screw, it'll work. But in this case, this car has 2 screws. See, like, I had to move the tire to get access to that one over here. And now I'm gonna have this one right here. Now I'm gonna have to move the tire to get access to this. Properly screwed in. And just like that, magic happens. It's looking good. It's looking nice. I like it. I like it. Yeah, the car's dirty right now. It's not what I'm worried about. Alright guys, so now that we got that out of the way, we can now put this Foose retro grill on. I think I might miss my headlight, my fog lights a little bit, but we'll see how it looks. Okay, so now that it's all apart, I have these headlight things right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these off, and then I'm gonna safely tape them away from the radiator because I'm not gonna be using them anymore. So I'll probably put them right here or zip tie them, but definitely I'll keep them away from the radiator. And yeah, and that's it. You just take it off and start putting on the new one. Alright guys, sorry about the background noise in the cars and this whole little bad quality. Alright, so I had some problems downloading the videos that I recorded installing the grill. So I'm back here the next day. And so what you want to do is you're going to want to put the U-shaped, here we go, the U-shaped pieces into the bumper and out, so it stays like a U-shape, but it's just in the bumper. And you'll know what I'm talking about when you get down there and do all that stuff. And then you're gonna get the L-shaped pieces, and you're gonna clamp them together. After that, you get a thin, screwdriver, and you go all the way over there and twist. And then the same process right here on this side as well. It's fairly easy. Yeah. Alright guys, here it is. This is the car. It's looking alright. Not sure if I wanted to keep the Foose, but yeah, I mean, this is it. End product. So as you can see, guys, the thing is smoking, literally smoking. I wish the actual iPhone wouldn't like muffle out some of the raspiness, but whatever you hear in there, imagine it twice as exaggerated, just twice as much. That's how it sounds in real life. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys get to enjoy the content I create and the content I throw out. Any comments, any suggestions would help a lot. I'd greatly appreciate it. Again, this right now, I'm gonna start doing more YouTube videos, so I'll start getting better at editing. I'll try my best to create better content. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good day.